If you've just explained something to someone and want confirmation that they've absorbed everything you've said, you might ask the question, "Do you understand?" in English. The Italian equivalent is,
Hai capito? Hai capito?
In English, we tend to use the present tense to form this question, but Italians tend to use the present perfect tense.
Passato prossimo.
The literal translation would be, "Have you understood?"
Comunque è per questo motivo che non devi andare lì di notte. Hai capito?
Anyway, that's why you mustn't go there at night. Do you understand? In informal situations, "hai capito" is often abbreviated to just,
Capito?
much in the way English speakers say understood, you hear, or got it. In some cases, you can form the question in the present tense.
Capisci?
There are instances where Italians prefer "hai capito" to "capisci" and vice versa. For example, the former is often used when giving commands or when you're upset with someone.
Non devi toccare niente nella stanza del nonno. Hai capito?
You must not touch anything in Grandpa's room. Do you understand?
Se non la smetti di fare i capricci, non ti porto al parco. Capito?
If you don't stop acting up, I won't take you to the park. Understood? However, following a longer explanation, both capisci and "hai capito" can work.
Non devi toccare niente nella stanza del nonno, altrimenti lui si arrabbia con me e con te. Hai capito?
You mustn't touch anything in Grandpa's room, otherwise he'll get mad at you and me. Do you understand?
Se tocchi qualcosa nella stanza del nonno, lui si arrabbierà con me e con te. Capisci?
If you touch anything in Grandpa's room, he'll get mad at me and you. Do you understand? "Hai capito" is also used to conclude an explanation, which is why it makes sense with commands because you don't really want to leave the discussion open. Capisci, on the other hand, may be used in the middle of a conversation. Let's see two other examples.
Comunque, ora sai tutto. Non è stata colpa tua. Hai capito?
Anyway, now you know everything. It wasn't your fault. Do you understand?
Non sappiamo cos'è successo, quindi non possiamo sapere di chi è la colpa. Capisci?
We don't know what happened, so we can't know whose fault it is. Do you understand?
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.